This is a proper review of the Android 4.4 ROM from VMOS. This is gonna be like a s'more style video. So let's just do that. There's no volume though. Oh, there is. So you got dialer, contacts, messaging browser. If you swipe here, gallery and settings. If I open here, excluding the other apps, browser, calculator, calendar, clock, downloads, email, gallery, messaging, movie studio, music, people, phone, search settings, and voice dialer. So let's start off with the things in the bottom. So dialer, no IMEI, go to contacts, you can create any contact there. Go to messaging, type any number. Type any number, it's not gonna work. Google will actually work. And gallery and settings over here. Browser, we already took a look at the calculator. Math equations actually work. Oops. Calendar, same thing. Clock, this is just stuck. Downloads, really nothing. Email, there you need an email address. Gallery, nothing. Messaging, we already took a look at. Movie studio, big new project, but when you try to do it, it just crashes. Music, there's really nothing here. There's no music, so yeah. People, which is basically contacts. Phone, here you take a look at. Search, voice dialer, and settings. So wireless networks, sound. So let's go. There's some double. Default one on every phone. I took a look at some of the ringtones. Here's the default ones. The notification. The goofy ringtone. This middle one, and display, sleep, never, daydream. I actually know what the search case is. You can't really interact with it. Font size, small. Cast screen, we're not gonna cast right now. Storage is my 128GB phone. That's a weird spectrum actually, but there's not any battery usage data. It stays like that. It's charging even though it's not. Apps, so we got Android keyboard, Android like wallpapers, Android system, basic data use, black hole, Bluetooth share, browser, bubbles, calculator, calendar, storage, camera, certificate installer, clock, the Android Android apps, the services: contacts, contact storage, dialer, documents, download manager, downloads, email exchange services, external storage, fuse location, gallery, HTML viewer, input devices, keychain, launcher, intent, live wallpaper picker, magic small wallpapers, media storage, messaging, movie studio, music visualization papers, music effects, one time init, open the view and package access helper, package installer, pack processor, face beam, phone messaging storage, phone screen savers, Pico TTS, print spooler, proxy handler, ROM X, search, setting storage, shell, sound recorder, system UI, which is basically Android 4.4 based on KitKat, user dictionary, voice dialer, VPN dialogues, and Chinese app, which is basically the pinyin input. So location, nothing. Security, nothing to really peek. Language and input and backup reset. At account, not gonna add anything to that. There's not really much in here. Developer options. Use Dalvik. Use art. Geeky stats. And about phone. So yeah, here's the build number. I might censor that. No one will really view my video, so maybe not. The wallpapers holding, no. Let's look at gallery first. Oh wait, gallery doesn't really have video. The gallery doesn't really have wallpapers. Let's go. Black hole, bubbles, hole spiral, magic smoke. There's settings. Where's the different ones? Nexus, phase beam, spectrum, and water. I'll set water as the default. It's kind of lagging though. And that's the review of the Android 4, Android 4 UI. But yeah, we also can't forget this one. As you can see, owner brightness settings, unknown SSID, no service, charging 0, airplane mode and location. You go to owner, the contact doesn't exist. And that's the review of the Android 4.4 phone. The specs are my specs. The CPU is a Qualcomm CPU. And yeah, I just admire the old websites. So yeah, camera's really high quality, but that's because it's my camera. So yeah, but that's about it. Goodbye, and I guess see you soon.